Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make fresh chicken curry stew. Nigerian fresh chicken curry stew, that is fresh curry leaf and fresh chicken stew. Exactly what you see. Keep watching, don't go away. So to make this stew, I'll transfer my homemade tomato paste into a clean pot. My tomato paste comprises of red bell pepper, fresh tomato, red chili pepper, ginger and garlic and onions. Smoothly blend together and boiled to dry. So I just transferred it into the pot. Next, I'll add vegetable oil. This is how I cook my healthy stew to avoid heartburn. It's optional. You can decide to cook your vegetable oil first, but I like to add it to avoid heartburn for anyone. Next, I will add my freshly chopped onions and stir to combine. So to avoid heartburn, I always add my vegetable oil on top of the tomato paste and then use a turning stick to mix, combine. And then if the vegetable oil is not enough, I'll add more. Exactly what you see me doing on the screen. So after adding this together, everyone, I'm going to transfer this to a wider pot so you can see into the pot properly. So you notice that my tomato paste is very thick. It is boiled and dried, super thick, everyone. And you see how red it is. Enough red bell pepper gives you this quality. There is no tin tomato in this. This is pure homemade fresh tomato paste, everyone. So I'm going to transfer it to another pot and then I will cover it to cook on a medium heat for 10 minutes. That is to allow the vegetable oil to come up. Cover and allow to cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it begins to boil and I start to stir and cover. While this is aside, here is my fresh curry leaf, everyone. If you've not seen curry leaf before, this is exactly what it looks like. This leaf is super amazing. If you've not given it a try on any recipe, please do try it. It has amazing flavor and aroma it adds to your stew or any other recipe you use this. So especially for fresh chicken stew. When I say fresh chicken stew, I mean the chicken, the live chicken you killed yourself, not the frozen chicken, everyone. You killed it, you prepared it yourself, and it goes very well with this fresh curry leaf. If you've not tried it, please do give it a try after this. So I'm plucking it out from the stand, and after that, this is what I have. This is the quantity I'm going to be using for this very stew. So I'll set this aside and continue to stir the stew. So after 10 minutes, this is what our tomato paste looks like. So I'll continue to stir this continuously to avoid sticking and burning, because if it burns, it won't give you that fresh chicken curry stew, everyone. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. Please do stay connected always. More videos are updated every week on this channel. Alright, so at this point, I will add 1 tablespoonful of seasoning to taste, 1 teaspoonful of salt to taste. That is all ingredients for this recipe. You don't need much spice for this very recipe. The curry leaf is super enough for this yummy, delicious, healthy, fresh chicken stew, everyone. I'll cover this for 15 minutes, And after 15 minutes, our tomato paste is beginning to dry, everyone. You notice it's getting thick. So you cook and stir and cover, and then allow it to dry enough so that it gets rid of fresh tomato taste. Your stew will be very tasty. So you could taste that fresh chicken and curry stew, everyone. So after stirring, this is what it looks like. All right, I will still have to cover this for 20 minutes on a medium flame to allow it to dry properly. And after 20 minutes, this is our tomato paste. It's cooked enough or boiled enough. At this point, I will add my freshly cooked chicken. This chicken is not grilled or fried. It is fresh chicken. So I will add and then mix to combine, everyone. If you want to see how I prepare chicken, my local Nigerian chicken after killing, please, I will leave the link down below. Don't forget to click the first link down below to watch how I prepare Nigerian local chicken. And next, I will add my chicken stock and mix to combine. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. Okay, I'll cover this to cook for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you notice that the oil comes up, and then I will stir to combine. Our fresh chicken stew is almost ready, but not ready, everyone, so don't go away, keep watching. So at this point, I will add my fresh curry leaf. After washing my curry leaf, please add yours depending on the quantity of stew you are making. Believe me, this curry leaf stew is super yummy. This very leaf gives a nice flavor. It is very tasty to stew. So after adding my curry leaf, I'll mix this and allow to cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. And after that, our stew is ready. This is what our fresh chicken curry stew looks like. Nigerian fresh chicken curry leaf stew. Super yummy. This stew can be eaten with white rice, spaghetti, macaroni, yam, plantain. The choice is yours, and it's very tasty with bread. Alright, thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your wonderful support. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share my video. You are highly welcome to my channel, and please do give this recipe a try and give me your comments at the comment section down below. So this is our fresh chicken curry stew, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now. Bye.